This is a very, very interesting concept. So teachers, parents, whoever is watching this, definitely encourage this for little kids because they can get super creative with it, and it can be really fun as well. So get creative because this has a lot of chance for you to turn into a creative person and have a creative thought process, because you're going to get into coding as well, and that's going to help you be more tech savvy and into technology and entertainment. And British Council here in the Cultural Centre, they're also doing sessions, and they're going to be taking it to different parts of Bangladesh as well.
আমার কাছে মনে হয় ইটস এ ভেরি গুড স্টার্টিং পয়েন্ট। এখান থেকে পরবর্তীতে আরো জটিল ধরনের প্রোগ্রামিং শিখতে খুব সাহায্য করবে।
কোডিং প্রোগ্রাম খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। এটি পরবর্তীতে তাদের চাকরির ক্ষেত্রেও যেমন প্রয়োজন হবে, নিজেরা যদি কোনো উদ্যোগী হয় সেক্ষেত্রেও তার প্রয়োজন হবে, সেই প্রয়োজনটা কোডিং প্রোগ্রাম মেটাবে।
What the microbit is a very simple computer, and what you can do is you write computer programs using a block editor. This allows you to program in a very visual way that kids enjoy and they can understand more easily than lines of text.
The BBC microbit is really easy to use with little training and can be programmed using a variety of coding platforms on a PC, laptop or Bluetooth-enabled smartphone or tablets.
Our vision is to power imagination with code, and for young people in Bangladesh to get creative, get connected and get coding.
It's very user-friendly. I like it. It copes up with most of the agers like us. It's so fun to use microbit actually.
Get creative, get connected and get coding, because coding can also get fun.